Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this box highlighted text caption effect on CapCut PC. Select your videos, go to text, and go to the auto captions one, and you're just going to select generate. Make sure you select the correct spoken language as well here. It does take a little bit longer depending on how long your video is, so keep that in mind. You just need to be patient, okay? Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to go to the template section. It is a pro feature now, unfortunately, but you're just going to find the one that you want, which is this one. I think is the boxy one. I think there's another one as well, like this one. Just select it, and then it's going to be added to your video. Unfortunately, I don't think you can change the colors, but that's pretty much how you can create this boxy subtitle on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!